Hello, this is Ethan from Qingdao TNT Homewares. Today, I'd like to share our Willow collection for you. As the traditional work, wicker work originates from Linyi City. That's exactly our factory is. With time flies, no matter how the price and trend evolves, the Willow products are enduring in the market. Now, let's check a sample from this Willow Hamper. It is made from split willow. As you can see clearly from the camera, it is beautifully and tightly weaved. So the basket is very firm. And we use the repeat flower patterns on the fabric. To enhance his look, we added these decorated tassels onto the fabric to make it more lovely. This hamper measures 45 and 56 centimeters high. It provides ample space for your dirty laundry. And these lid designs can keep your laundry out of sight. To make your home more tidy. Open the lid. A set of 3. For 140 container, it can load 800 sets for this willow basket. But our MOQ is 300 sets. Okay, that is the hamper. After using, you can put it into a set.